quick practice on if function today. Data set here, so I've already done the if function here, so let me delete it first. Okay, now I'm doing it is equal to if and open parenthesis, then let's select that column greater than is equal to any guess, any idea? Let me put 50 here and comma, yes, let me put and double quote and no, and close the parenthesis. You can see, let me drag down here. Yeah, now we can see some of them are no. And let me do count if and count ifs function here. Okay, let me put is equal to count if and open parenthesis, then we have to select that column and comma and double quote, then Larry double quote close parenthesis. Now you can see the three. Did it? Now I have to find out count ifs is equal to count ifs formula. Select the name column and comma double quote Mitchell. Let me write Mitchell here, and then double quote comma, then select that column new client and comma and double quote 81 and close. Now you can see the four are there. Let me do the sum if function here. Now let me, similarly we can do is equal to let me do that is equal to sum if open parenthesis, then we have to select that country column comma and then we have to select that country India we are looking for, then select that column and close parenthesis. Now you can see the result 22 is there in India. So, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.